Hi. So today we're gonna do something that one of you asked for, how to create a policy manual in 10 minutes with AI. So it's tempting to just click here in the describe bar and say, I want a policy manual, but it's actually a lot more beneficial for you if you tell it a little bit about your company or give it a specific prompt. So I've created a specific prompt that you can take and nudge so it fits your company. And I will show you. So I have the prompt, and it's create a policy manual for a small manufacturing company with 25 employees. And of course, you have to kind of change this so it fits your company. Include sections for employee conduct, IT usage, security, remote work, and health and safety. Keep the tone practical and easy to understand. And we just let it run with that. And there we go. It starts creating the policy manual, employee conduct, follow instructions, perform assigned duties carefully and honestly, treat coworkers, customers, vendors, and visitors respectfully, report workplace concerns, IT usage. We expect employees to act professionally, treat others with respect, and contribute to a positive work environment. I always want to put no gossip in here, but I think that's a human condition, so it's probably not possible to stop people from gossiping. It's creating health and safety instructions. So harassment, bullying, discrimination, violence, and threatening behavior will not be accepted. Great. So here we have it. So you can add or nudge or change this however you want. So I'm going to add a prompt that says, update this policy manual to reflect a company using Microsoft 365, SharePoint, and Teams. Employees work partly remote. Data security is important due to customer information. Keep it concise. So you can either go in and edit it yourself, or you can ask AI to make the necessary edits. Okay, so it's made the changes, and when I click done, you can see the blue highlight disappears, and you have kind of said, okay, this is done. So what I would like to do is I would like to, under IT usage, because we have an AI policy, a specific AI policy that I made in my last video, I would like it to tell people that there is one here. Add that we have a specific AI policy that people should know about. I suspect that the AI policy will become part of the policy manual over time. For now, because not everyone uses AI, we make a separate AI policy. But when AI is so ingrained in our apps that we cannot use the apps without using AI, then we'll have AI policy enmeshed in the regular policy. But for now, let's just do this. Okay, and it's done. It has added follow the company's AI policy when using AI tools and make sure you understand the rules before using them for work. So over here, you can see what it has changed. So under IT usage is what I just read out loud. And then in acknowledgement, it added that employees are expected to read both the policy manual and the AI policy. So, and you can keep working on this until you think it's just exactly what you need. But actually you can create a policy manual in 10 minutes. Have a great day and see you in the next video.